You might think your mornings are healthy, but some common habits could be secretly sabotaging your health without you even realizing it. In this video, we'll break down 5 morning mistakes that you should stop doing right now. Skipping water. Your body goes 6 to 8 hours without hydration during sleep. If you drink coffee first thing, it can dehydrate you more. Start your day with a glass of warm water or lemon water to rehydrate your cells and kickstart digestion. Checking your phone first. Checking your phone immediately after waking up. This can trigger stress and anxiety even before your feet touch the floor. Instead, take a few minutes to breathe, stretch, or meditate. Let your brain wake up naturally. Skipping breakfast. Some people think it helps with weight loss, but in many cases, it backfires. A balanced breakfast fuels your brain, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces cravings later in the day. Try something rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. No movement at all. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, walking, or light cardio can boost circulation, improve mood, and help your metabolism wake up. It doesn't have to be a full workout, just move. Hitting the snooze button. It might feel good, but it confuses your body and brain. You fall back into light sleep, which can make you feel groggier. Try getting up with your first alarm and see how much better your day feels. These small changes in your morning can make a big difference in your energy, mood, and overall health. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a healthy morning.